This is Huawei P20 Lite. Alright, so issue here. So let's start with a Huawei P20 Lite. Issue is the touch. Alright, so if you click this one, not touching, you can click that upper part, but on the middle part, you cannot touch. Let's try typing anything, something. So here, right? So you can touch from here. A B C D, not touching. A B C A S D, no, no, not touching. Not touching. Q, numbers, no, not touching. So this area, it's not touching. And the frame is broken. Hello. So that's basically the problem. Let's shut it off. Yes. Okay, power off. All right. So I have here the LCD that I ordered. This is for P20 Lite. What's this? Service pack. Alright. So I ordered the one that has frame. Alright, perfect. Basically the same. You see it? The same. Alright. Before we start, let's test the LCD. This is already, and I want to test the LCD first. So as you can see, the issue is the touch and the frame. That's why I ordered an LCD that has already frame on it. All right, that's the technique that you'll need to remember if in case you're planning to start your own repair shop for cell phone. Very basic. All right, so let's remove this cover. Okay, yes, careful. And then let's remove the LCD. Then we can attach. Let's remove the battery as well. Okay. All right. That's the cover. Here's the battery. Okay, it's removed. And let's attach the new LCD. We can test it this way. All right, just like that, and then just like that, and then let's turn it on. If they turn on, there's a display on the new LCD. Now let's test the touch. Let's put it down. All right, touch is working. Can we touch here? Yes. What about the slow, but that's okay. Can we type? Let's test the keyboard. Where's the Chrome? Let's try this. Google. Type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So touch is working. Q A. So it's working. So let's go. Let's disassemble and move it to the new LCD. Alright, so I need to turn it off. Power off. Let's go. Alright, so this is working. Now we need to move all the parts to the new frame. And what we need is this bubble wrap, so we don't damage the new LCD. And then one by one we will move all the parts. So where should we start? I want to start at the bottom. So right, let's go. No need to hurry on this one. Alright, now we can remove this cover. Just be careful. Right. Let's use this. No more screw, so it should be fine. Where should we start? There. There. Then we can use this to pry. Just be careful. I think there's no more screw. Why is it? It's still holding it. I don't see any screw anymore, so why is it? It's still holding it. Okay, need to be careful. What's behind it? Okay, there's a sticker. Or what? Wait, what's behind it? Um, let's pause for a moment. All right. So basically, that's just a sticker, something like a sticker. I need to use a prying tool. Um, this one. So we just need to pry it. So it's a sticker that's holding it. All right, so nothing to worry about. That's the back cover. No, the cover at the bottom. And then we need to remove this cable connector from main board to charging board. Orientation is like that. And then we need to remove this, and then I get to spin it accidentally. So this is an accident, but that should be fine. Need to put it back like that. All right, so that's I don't know what that is, but this is the cable. I'm in the charging board, so we need to move it here. All right. Okay, nothing to worry. Let me see. Yep, they're identical, so you can just put it that way. So I need to move this one here, so it's gonna fit on the casing. So, oh shoot, this thing broke it. Bang, bang, bang. Didn't notice it. You're not being careful, Vern. You broke the charging board. Shit. Let's continue though. Move. Tingnan siya ni gahap. Uy. I think I'm sleepy, that's why. I smell something. So what we can do, this is a fail repair. I'm sleepy. No, not this one. Not this one, right? So tinapulan lagi. Burn, baby, burn, burn. Maybe we can insert a little bit of alcohol here. Okay. Maybe here as well. Okay. And slowly pry it. Alright, battery's out. It's kind of hot right now, which is weird. It's overheating. Wait, we can get a... Bukas na yung battery. Anyways, let's just proceed. Let's just proceed. Let's just do it the main board. Alright, main board. We should be able to remove the main board. There's no screw, so we should be able to remove the main board. Let's remove the cameras. Okay, the camera is out. Forgot that. I forget the SIM. Where's the SIM? Here. The basic one. Brain is not working right now. Where are my tools? Really? Are you kidding me right now? This was great. This is a crazy one. This is a crazy one. So shall we be able to remove this easily? We should, right? There should be no more. Camera is out. But we should be able to remove this easily. I think. Well, we're not gonna force it. Because there's a very slim part of the board. We don't want to break it. This is a crazy repair. There. Should be easy. Okay. So, next is the power. So, the important part that we need to remove is the power. Power volume switch. This is okay. That's out, which is great. This is the most difficult part because it's so fragile. Alright, it's out. So, they look the same. Yes. So this is done. right, that's done. Okay, what's next? The board. You gotta be careful, okay? Be careful with the board. There's just too many stuff there. Okay, and then the camera. Let's clean it first. Okay, that should be fine. Okay, that's done. Then the camera. Okay, yeah. So, we need to put some thermal grease. Okay, so we can use this. Put some small amount of thermal grease. Oops, careful. Just like that. That's enough. Testing as an. So let's see. Test it. Kabut. How come it should kabut? You should power on without the charger. And yeah, power on. Okay. Oh, it shuts off. It's too low. Battery is too low. So, let's observe. Let's remove that first. Where is that cable? 13%. Okay, touch is working. QWERTY, ASDFG. So I assume it's all working. Alright, so let's continue with assembly. Okay, oops. That actually fine. Wait, 13%? Wait, let's charge it and see if it will increase the percentage. Right now it's 13%, I believe. Does it show 13%? Is it charging? It's charging. Let's give it a few minutes. Alright, so it's charging. Right now it's on 16%. So that's fine. I'm going to put glue. It's not hot, so that's fine. Which is good. Let's remove the battery. Remove this cable. Okay, let's remove the battery. And then let's remove this guy. This will hold the battery. Come on, man. Stop doing that. Oh shit, man. There. Now let's attach the battery. Just like that. Smell something on the battery. Alright, that should be fine. It's not the right screwdriver. Okay. Alright. Okay. Let's make sure it's gonna charge. Yes. It's charging. And then we can move this one and turn it off. We don't need that. We don't need that anymore. Okay, let's next. Let's cover. Alright, cool. This guy. Perfect. And then cover. Pero katagalan nakuhan kita. Di mo kasada. Nakuhan kita. Alright, perfect. And then finally, this guy. Alright. Okay, so let's charge it. It's charging. Good sign. Power button obviously working. Okay. What about internet? Okay, let's try that. Alright. Let's go YouTube. And you can also subscribe to my channel, Janburn. You can watch one of my videos. Let's find a video. I wanna watch this. William? What? There's no audio? That's the problem. That's another problem. What about vibrate? Vibrate works. Music. What the hell, man? No audio. Why? Problem is no audio. This is crazy. Wait, what about headset? Headset is working. So, paano siya sound dere oh? Running apart. Supposedly, there should be audio on that part showing the Huawei logo, but it's not. Alright, so my order arrived after 14 years. So original issue is the LCD. However, I made a mistake when I disassemble the phone, and now the audio doesn't work because of a broken component. So I ordered another part, which is the mistake was on me, and customer will not pay any of this new parts. So here, let's disassemble. Okay, P20 Lite. Alright, so basically this is the broken component from the original charging board. Let's give it a try. That should be fine. Alright, moment of truth. Audio is back. Let's go.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Oh, the battery. The battery is the borat. Not a problem.